Alright, so we're checking out the Eachine Spitfire today. Another 400mm Warbird from Eachine. I did the BF-109 recently. Another 3-bladed breakaway propeller in this one. Nice scale details. Pretty good solid foam. Overall, it looks nice. Just let's see how it flies. And of course it has the beginner mode, nice stability, and I will be flying this with my jumper T-Light today, using the multi-protocol module. It's the V761 protocol. Alright, let's get up in the air and see how it does. Alright. Nice smooth takeoff as usual. Almost no wind today. A little bit of a breeze coming from my left. And this one can fly slower than the BF-109. You can already tell. The CG looks better. You can tell right away. I haven't used any trims or anything. You can just see it. I can bring it a lot closer. I have more control. It doesn't pitch up. The nose doesn't pitch up. Maybe the Spitfire just flies better. Sometimes it just comes down to the airframe design. Yeah, this one flies nice. Oh, the prop came off. Oh my gosh, where'd that go? These are hard to find. When they said breakaway, I guess it breaks away when it's in flight. That's not a good thing. Maybe I didn't put it on strong enough. Sometimes they are really hard to put on. This one was maybe not hard enough. Yeah, this one's actually maybe a little on the loose side. And it happened when I throttled up. So I went to about, I think went full throttle, and it popped off. So maybe I'll just stick to some slow cruising on this one. Don't want to lose a prop. There's a spare prop in the box, thankfully. I'll line this up here like this. This hands free. Just flies by itself. Hands free again. I'm not even flying it. How low to the ground I am, not even controlling it. Wow, this thing's a nice flyer. And so low. It looks like with each new model they make, they really start to perfect the flight characteristics. Although I think the airframe does have a little bit of something to do with it. At first I was like, oh, airframe probably doesn't matter that much, but I think on these micros it actually matters more, because the design of the wing and everything changes how slow and fast it can fly. Even though they're all generally the same wingspan. And this one's also not as noisy as the P-47. But maybe a little bit noisier than the BF-109. That thing was like almost silent. Wow, look how low I am to the ground. Alright, doing super tight circles. Okay, I'm getting dizzy. All right, so trying a stall test there. If I slow down too much, of course, it's still a Warbird. It needs airspeed. Trying to see how slow it can fly. Still better than the one BF-109. It flies slower than that for sure. And some tight circles here. Yeah, let's see if I can do this real low to the ground here. A lot of back elevator. Almost full over on the rudder. A little higher up, tighter circles. Going circles the other way. As you can see, very stable in the air. Alright, so we already know the battery will last like 10 minutes at least. As much fun as I'm having, I gotta head to work. Got bills to pay. Bringing that in for a landing. See if I can land it in front of me here. Oh man, that was a rough landing. Of course, the pop goes off, no problem. And yeah, it's totally wet here. Nothing's broken, it looks totally fine. So no prop. All right, guys, I like this one. This one's a good one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Talk to you later.